tantrums. How do I stop my child's tantrum? How do I get him to stop hitting, kicking, throwing? He yells at the top of his lungs and he doesn't stop crying. That's a very popular question that I get on my TikTok at Impact Club, on my Instagram. And today we're going to talk about the 4 steps to stop your child's tantrums in less than 5 minutes. My name is Marcela Collier. I am your Parenting with Understanding coach. Step number 1. To address the tantrum from the root. You need to know what the cause is. And spoiler alert, it's not about the red cup, it's not about the Batman shirt, it's not about the things they're fighting for. It is about the needs they're communicating. And there are many needs that children have, and they're not limited to physical needs or the need for connection and love. Children actually have 5 basic emotional needs, and you need to know which one of those needs he has in order to address the behavior, the tantrum successfully. Otherwise, you're going to keep seeing the behavior over and over, and it's because the need is not met. Step number 2, knowing how to keep the tantrum from not escalating more, from not getting worse. Statistics shows that 70% of parents make the tantrums worse, and it's because they don't know how to slow it down. Imagine you are in the freeway going 70 miles an hour and you slam the brakes. You are going to spin out of control, right? And the car. It's the same thing with tantrums. When we slam the brakes, stop crying. It's not a big deal. All those things are stop words that are going to slam the brake in your child's behaviors, and instead of helping them calm down, they're going to spin out of control. So that's the second step. The third step is to actually know how to de-escalate the tantrum. You know that you need to slow it down, but to actually knowing how to do it. And that's where many parents who practice gentle parenting get stuck. They know how to connect with their children and they're sensitive to their children's cues. However, they have no idea on how to do behavior intervention. So the behavior doesn't stop, or if it stops, it comes back up really, really quickly. And number 4, and this one is, I would say, the most important step, is knowing how to reduce the frequency of tantrums. And for you to be able to reduce the frequency, you need to be able to have the skill to know what comes before the tantrum. When parents tell me in consultations or on DM, they send me emails, I just deal with a lot of tantrums. That right there lets me know that they're missing early signs, because if they're dealing with frequent tantrums, that means that their children are escalating to tantrums all the time, and they're not seeing what is underneath that surface. These 4 steps, addressing the tantrum from the root, preventing escalation, de-escalating the tantrum, and reducing the frequency, is the topic of my next live workshop. It is a Zoom workshop. I'm going to leave the link to register now. It is on October 16th on Zoom at 12:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So the link to register, it is here on the description. Go there, and then I will see you in this live workshop, and you are going to be equipped with a skill to keep your child's tantrums really, really small. Now, if you're not able to attend to the workshop, don't worry, because I'm going to be recording it. Once you register, I'm going to give you a login information to members area, and there you're going to see 3 bonuses, 3 extra bonuses. And once I'm done with the workshop, I will upload the workshop there, so you'll have access to all the material even if you're not able to attend. Now, if you don't know if you're able to attend, or if you're like, I know I might be able to attend, but I don't know how I'm going to work it out with the kids. I have little ones as well. I have twins. That's why I'm telling you in advance to line up help, because I need your attention for 2 hours. Those 2 hours are going to be the most well-spent hours, because they're going to save you so much time in the long run once those tantrums reduce the length and intensity. Let me know your questions in the comment section, and please give me a thumbs up if you're excited for this event. If you're very new to gentle parenting, to parenting with understanding, positive parenting, I encourage you to go to this video where it's going to tell you how to get started on this. Keep parenting your children with understanding. I'll see you next time. Bye.